If your cat thinks 3 p.m. is dinner time, meet Creme Puff, who thought 38 years was nap time. Creme Puff, a Texan feline born in 1967, holds the record for the longest living cat. She lived with her owner, Jake Perry, who must have had some secret kitty elixir. Imagine celebrating 38 birthdays. That's a lot of catnip and tuna treats. But what kept her purring for so long? Some say it was Perry's unique diet plan: turkey bacon, eggs, and asparagus. Sounds like a cat brunch dream, right? So next time you complain about your cat waking you up at 5 a.m., just remember, they might be aiming for a world record. Who knows? Maybe your kitty is the next cream puff in the making.